So before I get a little too far ahead of myself here, I'm going to go ahead and just create that restart button. It's really not that difficult. Let's see. Be my assets, blueprints, duplicate, call BP button restart, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set the materials on it. So now that I set up the materials on there, I'm also going to, so here we're going to want to also spawn the restart button as well. So off of the flip-flop in between there, in that first spawn, what we're going to do is called the sequence. It'll just do a, well, it's a sequence. It does a bunch of things, just does them in a certain order. So there we go. So first spawn the exit button, and then after you do that, immediately spawn. I'm just going to copy and paste those. Bring this down and set this to BP button restart. Compile save. So also just by copying and pasting that code, guess what? So when it spawns the restart button, that gets thrown into the active pause actors array. So when we hit that pause button again, that will also automatically be deleted. So now that those are all set up, there is actually one more thing I do have to do, BP motion controller. So, non-ignore actors. Hey, look at that. It's an array. This is why I made it an array. Because now we can just add this element, BP button restart. So I hesitated for a second there because these should not be the exact same, in the exact same place. So let's go ahead and move that over. I think the lucky number was 200 for difference. So let's just say, negative 215, why not? And so now, when we hit play, so now when we hit play, Jesus Christ, you have two of them there. And see, you can overlap both of them. So next thing we need to do is to just make the trigger box around them, and the laser pointer to show when it's inside the trigger box, and then do the actual interactions for quitting the game and restarting the game.